Hello folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Stock number CP15681AT. This Caravan has 146,000 miles on it. White in color. We've got fog lamps. Aluminum wheels. A little dirty, but they look like they're in pretty good shape here. They're 16-inch wheels and tires. Gray cloth interior. CD player, Sirius satellite radio, cruise control, power pedals, power driver's seat. Does have a rip in a seat there. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Now, this is equipped with a stow and go, and you do have a dual power sliding doors. You've got rear AC, rear heat. These side door windows do roll down. And I'm sorry, I called this an SE earlier. It is an SXT. SXT. Plenty of storage room in these things. Yep, there's your badging right there. It is an SXT. Rear wiper. Body looks to be in pretty good shape on this. Again, 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, 146,000 miles, here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.